You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this coffee name in Italian, the way a true, genuine Italian would say it in Italy. Let's break it down. Caffè, caffè, that's the Italian pronunciation with a very open E sound. If you want to learn more coffee names, stay tuned. I'll link to many confusing ones at the end of the video. So, caffè misto, misto, caffè misto. In English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say it as caffè misto, meaning mixed coffee. It comes with a cup of milk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.